Yo, we back once again with the True Hip Hop Podcast. It's your boy DJ Blaze.
And that guy again.
Wolverine, and we back for episode 408. Yeah, let's skate. But before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.
Right now.
Like, comment, and share.
Right now.
It helps us out tremendously on the album.
We love it.
Me and Wolf appreciate all the love y'all been giving us. But y'all cats ain't been subscribing.
So hit that bell.
And make sure it's all notifications.
It's us.
Alright, man. We just finished this. Dive right into these YouTube streets, man. Yesterday on CNN, a judge ruled Thursday that rap lyrics can be admitted as evidence in the trial of members of the Young Slime Life, YSL gang, including rap, Young Thugs. Practice for some critics have some called a racist double standard. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Earl Glansville said he would admit as evidence 17 sets of lyrics the state presented Wednesday, dependent upon a subject to a foundation that is property laid by the state or the that seeks to admit the evidence. Grammy winner Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, was indicted along with 27 defendants in May of 22 of conspiracy to violate the racketeering influence law in Atlanta, Georgia. Man. So they said they can admit 17 sets of Young Thug's lyrics.
Yeah. I got mixed feelings about that. One feeling, I'm gonna be the villain, and I'm gonna tell you, stop putting that shit in your raps. You hear me?
Yeah, they said that years ago when they started letting people a few years ago admitting their raps,
using their raps against
and
him. This ain't the first court case, and then
right.
He not only that, he even dropping them current.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. The current songs, that's what's really gonna hurt him.
They using some of the current songs against him?
Yeah, the song that he just dropped on that album, he said he's the general, and you know what I'm saying, of the YSL gang, and he said he may not have pulled the trigger, but he behind the body, the murder, you know what I'm saying? Like, he confessed on there. They gonna use that against him, you know?
That's on a new album.
Yeah.
I thought that was on the old album.
No.
I know the old album.
I heard this album, bro. Yeah.
I heard it too, but
yeah, he
I heard
said
him
a lot of
that,
stuff,
but I didn't know that something they
himself.
admitted into the 17.
They just did it. They just did it.
Indictment.
Yeah. Yep, they're gonna use his lyrics against him in the court.
And that's not fair though.
Yeah, they said it's not fair because Bob Marley, made a song called I Shot the Sheriff. You know what I'm saying?
But that thing is some precedence on that.
It's prejudice on it.
Some precedence.
It's a form of an artist's expression.
Yeah, but I'm saying I think it's a precedent. Well, considering that the county just not entering in that to their state legislation. But
when Bob Marley made that was back then. They just made this law where lyrics can be admitted now.
Yeah.
Because
it was voted in.
Yep. And he should have known that because he made the song after that. And it was already cases.
I don't know why his attorneys didn't. They listen. What it was is his attorney advised allow him to put out that music because he have to pay the attorney fees. He needs to generate more income. I mean, they up here talking about all that money or deal, bro. You run out of money dealing with a lawyer. I mean,
yeah, they know he needs some income.
He lose a lot of need income to pay him, and his they liquidated his assets already. A lot of these rappers don't have money like that. They have assets, but they don't have a lot of liquidated cash. You know what I'm saying? They don't have a lot of that on them, but they have like houses and cars and all that in their name. Jewelry.
Yeah, and because the song was number one. They played a song all the time. I forgot the name of the song, but they play it on the radio all the time, and that's generating money so he can pay him.
We said that when he first dropped the album. When we did reviews on the album, we said that they was going to use some of them lyrics against him. That we advised. We didn't see why he wasn't advised not to put those out. Right. I mean, it's just like if a painter paints a picture of somebody getting murdered, and
but saying it on a record is different though.
I'm just
saying he confessed to a crime.
I'm saying it's the same thing.
That's not the same as that. As a painter,
it's an artist's expression. It's an artist's expression.
Yeah, but not no more. You can't do that no more.
I know, but I'm saying yourself.
But the thing is, they said everything might be thrown out because they said they got 200 witnesses that's finna come and testify to crimes.
The judge don't like that.
But they don't know what crimes they gonna test to. They withheld evidence from the judge. You know what I'm saying? The judge is like, you better have a good reason on Thursday to let 200 people come and testify, and we don't even know what they saying. You know what I'm saying?
Only thing it was admissible, and he said it has to be on grounds of have a solid foundation of usage of those lyrics. Like they need to present some evidence showing that those lyrics was something that was done by a YSL member. Now, what they're going to do is use that snitch, and with that snitch is going to explain how that went down as far as the order.
Yeah, he already did. They said he snitched for 3 hours straight.
Yeah.
And he solved over 50 crimes. But they said that might get thrown out because he was coerced into doing it.
It was forced.
They wasn't supposed to do that. So that's gonna get thrown out all the way because they legally did that one.
Yeah, well, because the feds was gonna, he was already pressed against the feds.
Yeah, he was pressed for another crime.
Yeah,
and they said if he don't snitch on Young Thug, he'll get 25 years with no parole. But it wasn't in no writing or nothing. He just said it. You know what I'm saying? And he started talking. And they said if Thug do beat this, then he gonna look at him like you snitched. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what they had said.
Well, he snitched either way it goes. Because if he told on any crime,
he told on 50 crimes.
Well, you told on 50 crimes, you snitched. Unless you admitted to doing 50 crimes.
He told the story, but they're not gonna be able to use it.
They ain't gonna be able to use it. They can't use anything because he can only admit on crimes that he performed under.
No, they said crimes that he witnessed that Young Thug did.
Right. Mm-hmm. That he means he was with Young Thug at that time.
But that ain't gonna work because the Fed dude fucked up.
It's hard for him to prove that he was.
Yeah, they ain't gonna be able to prove it. That's gonna have to get thrown out. And they fucking up. They was like, motherfuckers ain't got no lawyers. You know what I'm saying?
Not even a public defender. It's a circus. It's been a circus for the whole from the beginning of the indictment.
And then
how you all of a sudden have 28 people and then you litter yourself down. You just trying to give everybody a ticket. Cause you gave everybody. You just want to get everybody plea because nobody doing no incarcerated time. Everybody has
low numbers.
The numbers. A lot of them out of the 28. About 19 of them only serving probation, 5-year probation. They ain't even serving
more than 5 years.
Who's serving 5 years?
Dog.
But he was the one. He's one of the ones who at the end of the case, we talking about all the ones before him. She let loose because he the only one who they felt like they could target the most.
Yeah,
you feel what I'm saying? So
only got probation.
Everybody else just got probation, bro. So you telling me out of 28 people,
they only want one person, really?
Right? But out of 28 people in indictment, you only 19 of them got probation.
Yeah, that's crazy. But it's a circus show. Some of them ain't even got no lawyer. You know what I'm saying?
They trying one person on the run. With that saying that. Were they trying to say that Young Thug was ahead and orchestrated all those crimes that those cats had pled guilty of? You know what I'm saying? Since
he just got a lot of crimes to beat, man. You know, like that drive-by shooting. He rented that car and Dog Peanut got killed, man. Like, It's crazy. That's what he really got to stay focused on. And you know he gonna get time for the gun in the car.
The gun in the car, yo.
Like, but if he just get the gun charges, that's what he need to focus on. Just a gun, you know. 'Cause I don't want no bodies. Like,
right.
Not even one. You gotta do all the bodies.
All the bodies. I don't know if he gonna swing and miss all his bodies, but it's gonna be a hard fight for the prosecution because it's been a circus.
It's been a year and they finally got fucking jurors. There was like,
man, they went through this whole ordeal.
7
with the
white
lawyers.
women, 2 black girls, and 1 black dude, and a white dude.
Yep. And then there's an alternative jury. They got about about 20 people.
Like, how are they really gonna
Or
find
50
somebody who didn't hear
participants.
about this case, man? Like that, come on, man. Somebody already biased, man. You know?
Yeah.
Like, man. But what I think that he might get released because of the messed up evidence. Like,
Yeah, the
she
way
vouched
the
the
jumble.
evidence. The
He
evidence
don't
is all
want
over the place.
They don't want to look like another OJ case.
No,
the
that's
judge
different.
I'm just saying, 'cause
Johnny
you know
Cochran
how
and them did their job.
Yeah,
she's not doing her job. She's
Johnny
lying.
Cochran and them was a defense.
She's not. How you withhold evidence from the judge? He
Right,
was
well,
pissed.
but that's the prosecutor.
It was mad.
That's the prosecutor.
Like, yeah, he can just be like, man, this is over. He already quit once. He might just say it's over.
Yeah, like, man, they just making this way
Hey,
too. She want to present 200. He
300.
he said she increased.
Oh, 200 new witnesses.
2 witnesses. She was
200
like,
witnesses.
you increased it 2/3.
300 new pieces of evidence.
And with 200, 2/3 more witnesses.
Like 200 witnesses? Come on, man. How you gonna interview all them people, man? That's crazy.
That trial will take forever because everybody got to be cross-examined.
Yeah,
Everybody got to be and he got to sit through all those
and then it's gonna be a lot of
because
people
he
that
have the
lie.
right to face his accusers.
Now people saying they was forced to testify against him. They said dog was forced to testify. You know?
Yeah, with dog.
And they said he gonna have to do it in front of him when he get to the stand.
Yeah.
That's messed up.
Yeah.
Gunner ain't got to do that. That's what Alford plea was for Gunner. He said he ain't got to testify. And
He ain't got to face him. He ain't got to face him.
Young Thug's dad said he wasn't a snitch.
He just saying that just to get him released because he trying to make sure that he don't pose a threat.
But let us know what y'all think about this, man. Man, this is straight up circus show once again.
So it's circus.
You know?
Circus.
200 more witnesses. They using the lyrics against them. Do y'all think they should be able to do this?
No.
No.
No, I don't think it's. But I think it's a thin line, Tread, because people got to be smarter than knowing that's a confession.
Yeah. Why
You know
would you
what I'm
rap
saying?
about the crime that you committed?
Just like what Bobby Shmurda did. They convicted Bobby Shmurda pretty much for his lyrics.
Yeah.
You know, that's how they solved their case.
They said YM Melly said the same thing in the song.
Yeah. I got murder on my mind.
Why would y'all do that? I don't understand that.
The adrenaline rush.
Like, if
After
you
they
murder
do some-
somebody, nobody should know.
After they do something.
Nobody should even think I did it.
But that song was recorded. Murder on My Mind it was going to the video shoot of that.
I'm talking about Thug, man.
I
About
know
him
you said
saying-
YMLE, so
Yeah, but now I'm talking about Thug. Why would you talk about the crime that you committed? You broke it down in detail, man.
I shot up his mama house.
Yeah, he
Now
shot up his
won't-
mama house.
It won't. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now he won't speak on me again.
Right.
And you shot up
Lucci.
Lucci mama house,
Yep.
and they got it reported.
Right. But they say Lucci won't snitch. You know?
Yeah.
But because he killed his baby mama at the bowling alley. That's why he ain't gonna say shit.
Why would he kill his baby mama though?
Because they shot at his mom. They killed his baby mom at the bowling alley.
It's like she ain't had nothing to do with that though.
I know. That's the whole point.
Yeah, neither one of them had nothing to do with it.
Right.
But his mama didn't get hit.
Man, you know how that gang shit go, bro.
They was like, man, that's Young Thug, the baby mama right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, well, man, they just shot up my mama's house, man, kill that bitch.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. But we running out of time, man. Let us know what y'all think about this whole situation. No, that was real.
No, I'm saying what I said.
Oh.
The way it is.
Yeah. Stream Alpha King 2 on all platforms, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, Music. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.
No.
Make sure y'all hit that like button and check them notifications, because YouTube be playing sometimes, man.
Yeah, check
They
that.
need to push all our videos.
All of
Stop
us.
playing with us, man. Get these numbers up, man. And go up, hit that like button.
And that button. Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. Shout out to Gun Room, Michigan, man. We out of here. One love.
Peace.